Aloha. Welcome back to the channel. Nucollector here. We are in Philippines right now. Finishing up this leg of the vacation. We were here for 4 days. Did some diecast hunting at Green Hills Mall. Let me show you a real fast sneak peek because I'm gonna wait till I get home or maybe when I get to Japan, which I'm gonna leave tomorrow, go to Japan, be there for 6 days. But I don't have time to take it apart and open everything up, but I can show you what I grabbed. So Philippines is Hot Wheels is expensive, as in it's like $4 or $5 a regular mainline. So I knew that coming in, I wanted to see what the pop race and the Kaido house prices was at. And I was definitely surprised for the Kaido houses and pop race regulars was around 16 USD, which is awesome. Pick those up. And also chases. Kaido house chases for my boy Shan, the man on his whatnot channel. He will be auctioning them off starting at $1. So I picked up some chase Kaido houses that they had here. Let's get right into it. We got the blue NSX. What is this? Racing V2. So that is the chase. We will crack and look at that closely. We got the Beamer, the maroon. What is this? GT V1. We got that chase. That one's pretty sick. What else? We got the NSX. Oh, this is the purple. Sorry, this is the purple. This is the blue chase we got. So we will crack that open. Check it out. What else we got? We got the Silverado HKS chase. You know what? Let's crack this one open. I'm gonna keep this one. Let's just look at this one real quick. Dude, I did not know this one is that sick. This one is insane. So I am definitely gonna keep this one. I do not have this chase yet. I mean, I do like the Kaido House chases, but I'm not going after them hard like some people. But I mean, it's kind of cool. This one is pretty sick. I got the green. What is this? The Imai Racing chase. The green. This one is sick. This one is sick. This one I thought was pretty cool. The active carbon one. That one is super clean. Looks like straight. Maybe the wide body got the carbon on it. We'll crack that open. That is all for the Kaido House chases. And you guys know about these. How hard they're going for right now. I picked up 2 open boxes that they had. Super dirt cheap. It was about $16 too, I believe. But yeah, I wanted to grab a couple more of these because this is my favorite color. It's insane. That look at my last video. You'll see the OG flows. Pop race. Since they were $16 for the regulars, I had to pick them up. Whatever ones I wanted. Always wanted. Just didn't grab them yet because they're getting more expensive. Because I don't know if you know about pop race is going hard right now. So my Lambo, I believe this has opening parts too. This is like an orange, red. I don't know if it's a color shift, but we're gonna open that one up. We got the Tokyo Auto Salon 2025 R32. Look at that. And you guys know the exclusive pop races are insane. I got the red Datsun truck. This one came out already but I want to snag it because I don't have the red, I believe. Got another one of the Koska's V8 Drift, favorite casting so far in Pop Race. Got this one. I don't know if I seen this or I did, but it's the R32. Can't wait to crack this one open. It's gonna be sick. The regular white R32. Exclusive. This was a Pandem S13 Sylvia. Exclusive top secret Supra. I'm not sure if I've seen this one yet, but this is gonna be sick to crack. It's gonna be insane. Got the R33 Nismo. I believe this is the Nismo 400R Pop Race. Hopefully that one is awesome. But last but not least, the RX-7. This is the model car show. I think was this year in Hong Kong. Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice. That's gonna be sick. But thank you for joining me. Last night in Philippines, flying straight to Japan. Gonna be Osaka, Kyoto side. Gonna try to do some hunting. The Hot Wheels over there are a little cheaper, so I'll probably pick up some Hot Wheels. Looking for that 400 2-packs, maybe the Civic 2-packs. What else? My friends came back with Toyota pickup trucks, the red, I believe. But yep, thank you for joining me. We are tired. Me and the fam are packing right now. We leave early in the morning. I'll see you guys in Japan. Check out my Instagram at Nucollector, TikTok. I should be posting some stuff up there. But happy aloha. Kiana, what is today? Monday.
Today is Monday.
Happy aloha Monday. But for you guys, I don't know when I'm gonna upload this. I'm gonna try to do it on the plane. See what happens. Aloha. Thank you for joining me. Oh yeah, I got a dog bite. Had to get some rabies shots. Love you guys. Aloha. Thank you for joining me. Mahalo. Let's go.